Hello, hi to everyone. So today we'll talk about Blender, how I can get this. It's easy answer. By the way, this program for free, it's very important and it's very simple. Type it Blender, download Blender. Click on this icon, see, and you see here, you choose 2D animation icon, click that, and you'll see this canvas, right? White, beautiful white canvas. I'll show you how to start this. Most easiest way, just very beginning. On the left side, you see that menu, it's a pencil, right? Now you have here pencil. It's a filling, it's if you wanna color, and eraser, and check everything, like you have to tint it. So you see here pencil, it's actually, if you click on that icon, you see what I recommend start with this. If you do animation and you actually don't know yet, of course you don't know yet what kind of drawings you will have. You see the lines, it's very light, sketchy. You can draw very sketchy, but at the same time, right? Same time you can create it a very, I would say, pencil-like drawing. See, very easy and very light, and you don't care about real, real clean lights. But later, what you can do, later you can change and you can choose, I don't know, let's say this one, ink pen. You see here, it's a color, right? Now it's in the black. Also you can choose brush setting. You see that's a radius, it's like how big this. See, you can actually, it's kind of clean up this, right? You can do this very, like I said, very easy and very simple. And on the top of your gray color, right? And that's what is good, to have really nice pencils. You can choose any one you really like. And that's help you to draw nice and simple way. Okay, that's simple. So how to erase it? How? You just push Ctrl button, hold it, and that's it. You probably can even choose here, but it's faster way, quicker. You have timeline here too, right? Timeline is right here. Let's see, this is timeline. You can flip this way. And also you can set to the certain points, like I said, to the certain keys will be hotkeys, right? Hotkey. And if you like to put right here, you see here, you go change to shortcut, press key. You see, press key, after that you press like a Q. You press Q. It will be go back arrow, right? Per Q. Boom. And for that, you see, you can change shortcut. Boom. Press key W. That's it, right? Now what? Now you see, if you have here, you have here, you see it works. Q, W, Q, W. When you draw, I don't know, you draw bear, right? Draw bear. So maybe you draw bear. So and you see, you can really rough it easy way. Don't be afraid to make any kind of like, not mistakes, but not really certain points yet. Like I said, that's really good for rough. And after that, you just, like I said, you can use this one. You can make really precise drawing. See, very simple, very precise, and kind of like a clean it up. I like that. That's very, very simple, and same time you can actually keep your feelings when you just rough it, because when you rough it, it's very important to feel what you do, right? How to do your scene longer than you have. Like in my case, you see, I have up to 190, right? And how to do if you need more than this. You see here, I plan about 300. On the right side, in the very, very bottom, you see here, icon is end 250, right? That's a maximum right now. And you can, with a left mouse button, click this, and just you see that now go to the right or move to the left. You make it bigger or smaller. How activate onion skin? So it's easy. On the right side you see lots of icons. You see here it's kind of green loop. Just click on it. You see here now, see opacity on top and onion skin. See the second part, actually on the very right corner. And if you want to see how it works, just do this way. You see, you can see more pronounced previous one and less pronounced, whatever you prefer. It's really good when you do clean up, tie down, or in betweens. It's very good. how to create new layer. It's easy way to go to draw, left tab, active layer, and you see new layer plus new layer. Click on that. See, you've got one more layer here. You can add whatever you like. So many. How work with timing. It's a very good thing and very important. You can actually, when you flip it, you can flip this way, right? You can see, you can check, or you can check with that. And very important thing, if you want to change something, right? Go with mouse wheel, make it much wider, wider. Take this one, you see this yellow color, and just click on it, hold it, and drag it. You see, up, you can drag this one. You can actually Control Z, change it if you like it. Or you can actually select only one instead of so many, and you can change, you can drag this way. Much easier in this case if you just make it wider. Frames is getting more pronounced, they're bigger, and it's way easier to drag them, to move them left or right. Like I said, this way, go to the left or go to the right. Right? If you don't like that, you can actually click on that, and you can click on delete. You see, in delete. If you wanna return it, return it. Good luck. Try this program again, and are really nice to work with. You will enjoy it, I promise you. That's it.